Imagine for a moment a massive asteroid hurtling towards Earth. Can we actually prevent an asteroid impact if we see it coming? Picture the catastrophic implications of such an event. Cities leveled, ecosystems destroyed, a climate plunged into chaos. It's a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, but the threat is far from fictional. Astronomers have identified thousands of asteroids in our solar system, and they believe there are millions more yet to be discovered. Some of these cosmic interlopers have Earth in their crosshairs. The potential impact of an asteroid strike ranges from localized destruction, akin to a nuclear explosion, to global extinction events similar to what likely wiped out the dinosaurs. The importance of preventing such a catastrophe cannot be overstated. Thankfully, our understanding of asteroids and their behaviors is growing every day, giving us the tools to potentially avert disaster. But fear not, scientists have been brainstorming solutions to this potential doomsday scenario. When it comes to preventing an asteroid impact, scientists have several tricks up their sleeves. One of these is gravitational pull. Picture a spacecraft hovering near an asteroid. Over time, the mutual gravitational attraction can slowly alter the asteroid's path. It's a gentle nudge rather than a swift kick. But it's not without its challenges. The process is slow and requires precise calculations. Next, there's the kinetic impactor method. This is essentially a space collision. We launch a spacecraft to smash into the asteroid, altering its course. It's a bit more forceful than the gravitational pull and quicker too. However, it's less precise and could potentially break the asteroid into several dangerous pieces. Finally, there's the nuclear option. It's the most powerful approach, using a nuclear explosion to vaporize part of the asteroid or push it off course. The downside? The potential for radioactive fallout. These countermeasures are not just science fiction. They are scientifically plausible methods of protecting our planet. The future of asteroid defense is promising, thanks to ongoing research and technological advancements. Scientists worldwide are working tirelessly, developing new technologies and refining existing ones to safeguard our planet. Imagine a spacecraft, not unlike those we've sent to Mars, but this one is armed with a gravity tractor. This futuristic device could steer an asteroid off its collision course with Earth just by hovering near it. The mutual gravitational pull between the asteroid and the spacecraft would, over time, nudge the asteroid onto a safer trajectory. Additionally, researchers are exploring the use of high-energy lasers. These lasers could be used to vaporize parts of the asteroid, causing it to change direction due to the force of the ejected material. But perhaps the most promising is the development of early detection systems. After all, the more time we have to react, the more options we have to deflect a potential threat. So while the prospect of an asteroid impact may be terrifying, take comfort in knowing that we're not sitting ducks. We are actively preparing and refining our defense strategies. After all, prevention is better than cure, especially when it comes to protecting our home planet. In our quest to protect Earth from asteroid threats, cooperation is key. This isn't a task for a single country or organization, but a global effort. Think of it as an interstellar United Nations, where nations pool their resources, knowledge, and technology to safeguard our shared home. While each country might have its own asteroid defense program, the real power lies in the collective. This collaboration has already begun. For instance, NASA and the European Space Agency are jointly developing the Asteroid Impact and Deflection Assessment (AIDA) mission. This mission aims to test the kinetic impactor technique, a method to change the course of an asteroid by hitting it with a spacecraft. Other international collaborations are also underway, and in the future we might see more joint ventures that transcend political boundaries. Because when it comes to protecting our planet, we're all in this together, and together, we can make a difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content.